The LPPS 12 series of linear potentiometer position sensors from Schaevitz Industries are low-cost, simple-to-apply, absolute position measurement devices. LPPS 12 linear potentiometers are used in a wide range of commercial and industrial applications, including materials testing, automotive research and development, automated assembly systems, and industrial processing equipment. The 12mm outer diameter housing is constructed of aluminum and features swivel rod ends for ease of mounting. Internally, LPPS 12 linear potentiometers use a conductive plastic film element and precious metal wiper, ensuring low-noise, high-resolution performance without the need for an external signal conditioner. LPPS 12 linear potentiometers are available in measuring ranges up to 12 inches. LPPS 12 linear potentiometers are economical, durable, and have an excellent stroke-to-length ratio, making them an ideal solution for your demanding application. Experienced application engineers are standing by to help solve your measurement challenges. For additional information, please visit our website at htsInd.com. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.